Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lelit Bianca espresso machine. It comes to us with a broken flow control gauge. So look at it, it's like pointing in a different, like it's not accurate. When I test the machine also, it was leaking from the gasket. So the machine needs a tune up, and because both boilers were like full of scale, and that causes this also. The vacuum release valve was leaking all the time, so replace it and clean and reseal the water level sensor probe. So let's go ahead and test it and make a espresso shot on it. Yeah, here's the new one. It sits right on zero. Look at the old one. There we go. Prefusion. There we go. Keep it on 9. Get this beautiful shot with thick crema and 3 layers of coffee, and tasty shot actually. Let's see the steamer. This is perfect. The hot water works perfect too, so the machine can look like it's responding right away in the same moment. Start refilling. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.